is everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I just wanted to do my follow-up slash wrap-up on the CMF Buds Pro. So I've been using these earbuds for a good amount of time, and I just recently dropped my full review going over everything you guys and gals need to know about these earbuds. And at the end of that review, I told you guys and gals that I was going to keep these earbuds for extended coverage. Well, for those of you that don't know, I am actually really heavy into working out and exercising, okay? Not just that, I am a big fan of food, I am a foodie, I am a lover of food, but I am even more a lover of exercise and content creation, right? And for me, those three things give me peace of mind. Those three things help me get through the day, right? Because for those of you who don't know, and I'm actually gonna get a little personal here, so please be respectful, guys. But for those of you who don't know, I actually struggle heavily with depression. And one of the ways I combat my struggle with depression is through food, exercise, and creating content. And recently, I just got back on my all liquid diet, right? And I do this all liquid diet periodically, right? It's a good way to flush out the body, okay? And really dial in your body the way you want it to be. It's kind of like a cleanse, but if you do it right, it will also help you bulk up, right? But when I'm doing this liquid diet, I go very, very heavy on cardio, right? Now, I've done workout videos in the past letting y'all know what my base cardio is. But when I do this liquid diet that I do every few months or so, that cardio gets multiplied by like 10, right? So that means that in the gym, I do at least 30 minutes of flat out cardio. 30 minutes or as fast as it takes me to get up to a mile 0.15, right? So if I get up to a mile 0.15 in 25 minutes or less, we're done, right? But I also get on this exercise bike you guys and gals see behind me, and I do an hour and 39 minutes of flat out cardio. Again, as fast as I can at the highest resistance that I can tolerate, right? Because that helps me up my heart rate, and I try to maintain a high heart rate throughout the entirety of my workout. And while I do this, I tend to sweat a lot. Like I tell my friends in the gym, if you're not sweating and your heart rate is not up, you're not working, right? And I'm actually on day number 5 of that, right? And I noticed that with the Buds Pro, when I get super sweaty, they don't stay in my ears, right? They slide around. I have to constantly keep readjusting them. Similar to what I had to do for my other watch band, for the Watch Pro. When I told y'all in that full review, I don't like the fact that during my workouts, I had to constantly keep adjusting that other watch band, right? That's essentially what happened with the CMF Buds Pro. So when that happens, that means that it's time for these buds to go. So what am I going to be doing? Well, I don't like doing Amazon returns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean these buds up, and I'm going to sell them at a nice discounted price and put those funds back into the channel. And honestly, I've already picked up the next set of earbuds that I want to take a look at for y'all, and y'all can see for yourselves. That's right, these bad boys will be in-house, and I will start my coverage on them coming this Sunday. So y'all be on the lookout for an unboxing and first impressions of these buds right here that y'all see up on the screen. And in all honesty, I'm hoping that these work out. Yes, I know the battery life on them is not the best, but they're a modernized version of the design from my all-time favorite earbuds in the Galaxy Buds Plus. So I'm hoping they work out and they give me that fit that I'm looking for, right? If not, if they turn out to be as bad as these in the fit department with strenuous activity and strenuous cardio and workouts, then I might just bite the bullet, sell those two after the coverage, and get another pair of Galaxy Buds Plus. Okay? But that being said, can I still recommend that you guys and gals pick up the CMF Buds Pro, right? Are these perfect? No. Do they need improvement? Oh yes. But for the price and everything that these earbuds offer, as long as you can deal with the negatives that I pointed out in my full review and through the extended coverage, then yes, I can easily recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick these up. For the price, they should serve you well. That being said, how much am I going to be selling these for? Well, I'm going to clean these up because they're basically brand new, okay? They're basically 2.5 weeks old. I'm going to take my custom tips off of them, clean them up, put them back in the package, and probably take some photos so I can spread that around on social media, and I'll probably sell these for about $40. That's $10 off the current retail pricing, and that's not including taxes. So currently right now, before taxes, you can get these on places like Amazon for about $50. You can just call it $50. A little bit over $50 if you include the taxes. So I'm going to be selling these for $40, right? And I'm going to take those funds and put them back into the channel, right? And in all honesty, I got about about 4 different sets of earbuds. And in all honesty, as I told y'all in the full review, when I did a small comparison with these in the full review, my other earbuds, I'm not really liking them. So in all honesty, I might end up selling all 4 earbuds and putting all those funds back into the channel and seeing what I can find. But that, guys and gals, does it for this video here today. So this concludes my overall coverage on the CMF Buds Pro by Nothing. And I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video right here. And I hope you guys and gals enjoyed all the coverage of all the CMF products. If you did, please help your boy out by giving those videos and this video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more about these buds in particular, or any or all of the other CMF products, I'll leave links to all of my extended coverage down below in the video description, as well as if you're interested in where you can pick up these earbuds or all of the CMF products, I'll leave affiliated buy links to where you can pick up all of the CMF products down below as well. And as the name implies, when you use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliate links are like a one-stop shop for everyone, okay? There you have it. Alright, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I hope everyone is having a good one. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Peace. We're out of here. Oh, today's video was recorded with the front-facing camera on the Google Pixel 6a in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. And we are using natural light here today. I don't have my studio lights on. I just have the shades cracked. So you have natural light coming in through my window here. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. And remember, guys and gals, keep your comments respectful, please. We're all adults and we should all be able to respectfully share our opinion. Alright, have a good one. We're out of here. Catch you on the next one.